To fix the Instagram story unavailable issue, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required to upload and view stories. Ensure your device is connected to a strong and reliable network, and try restarting your router if necessary. Next, check if Instagram is down by visiting the official Instagram website or social media pages to see if other users are experiencing the same issue. If the problem is on Instagram's end, wait for a while and try again later. Another common cause is that your Instagram app needs to be updated. Go to the App Store on your device, search for Instagram, and update the app to the latest version. This can resolve any bugs or issues that may be causing the story unavailable error. Additionally, clear the cache and data of the Instagram app to free up storage space and remove any corrupted files. This can be done by going to your device's settings, selecting the Instagram app, and choosing the Clear Cache and Data option. If you are still experiencing issues, try logging out of your Instagram account and then logging back in. This can refresh your account and resolve any technical glitches. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app to start from scratch. It is also important to note that Instagram has a set of community guidelines and terms of service that must be followed. If your story is unavailable due to a violation of these guidelines, you will need to review and comply with them before your story can be made available again. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Instagram support directly for further assistance. They can provide personalized help and guidance to resolve the problem and get your story available again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram story unavailable issue and share your content with your followers.